just look at the screen. From this image, you just view that or just visualize that what topic we are going to start now. Okay, I will give you 1 minute time. You just guess. After that, I will start my lecture. Okay, as a mechanical engineer, not even required 1 minute to answer this question or to guess this. It more than 1 second is more than enough in order to identify which subject this image is related to. The subject here is thermal or thermodynamics, which are all comes under one topic, thermal engineering. Okay, under the topic thermal engineering, thermodynamics, and as per current engineering syllabus, there will be thermal engineering 1 and thermal engineering 2, like this in mechanical subjects. Okay, till now we have completed heat and mass transfer and fluid mechanics. Both are covered well, and many problems I have taught you in that lectures. If you not yet visited that lecture, just go to my channel's playlist and just watch it and practice the problems. Today it will be more interesting the thermodynamics, which is the basic and most important, interesting and amazing topic of thermo mechanical engineering, not thermo. So commonly it's for all mechanical engineers. Thermodynamics is one of the key, because in this present world most of the things which includes power plants, engines, etc., are all comes under thermodynamics. So whatever you are reading, just visualize and study. It will be more interesting. As a citizen of this world, we have to make this world in a manner that will not affect our Earth's environment or Earth's nature. So, as a mechanical engineer, you must know that when compared to other departments in engineering, mechanical is a special one, and is a special branch which covers all other topics too. For example, we will cover electrical engineering during our second year fully, and somewhat like ITCC department, we will cover mechatronics. In that, there will be many codings which somehow related to that. Like this, mechanical is one of the best and important branch for humans. Okay, though, so those who are chosen the mechanical department, it's really God's grace, you should think that. Okay, now let me enter into the our topic, thermodynamics. As usual, this time I am going to teach you the thermodynamics. So I am going to follow few new things. That today I will give the short intro about thermodynamics. After following this, I will post some questions. You just solve the question and wait for one day. The next day the answers for that questions will be posted. You can check it with. While I am explaining these questions, I will explain the topics behind it, so we can somehow cover these topics too, and we can practice problems too. It will be more useful for GATE exam. Actually, I am targeting GATE, Graduate Aptitude Test in Engineering. You know that already. I I will post the questions which are all which previously asked in GATE exam. So if you are able to solve my questions which are I am posting, it will be very useful and very helpful you to solve many problems coming GATE 2021. Okay, now we can enter into this. Normally, thermodynamics, you must split into two words, the thermodynamics, thermo and dynamics. Thermo refers heat, we all know that, and dynamics, it normally we have studied that kinematics of machines and dynamics of machines. What is the major difference between these two subjects? You just recall that. In kinematics of machine, we will never consider the force, wherein in case of dynamics of machine, we also consider the force. So here the dynamics refers force. So thermodynamics is a branch of science or branch of department which deals with the heat and work, and also the properties of system which are in equilibrium, and it also covers or describes the state and change of states of a system. So just now you just remember this one. While we are going more and more, I will explain you more deep. You just remember this what I am said now. Okay, before entering into the tasks, I like to say that this time I am going to post the questions during the night time as per our Indian standard time, and the answers will be provided to you by morning. Okay, then you can check it with. It will be more useful to you, and during sleeping also you don't remember that what will be the answer. You just think on it and just leave it. The next day you can confirm your answers. Okay, because sleep is one of the major thing for humans to relax and learn many things in this world, so we must require more sleeping too. Okay, these are for our good health. Okay, I am the pattern I am going to follow is that daily I will explain one question. Along with it, I will post you two questions. You just solve the two questions by your own. The answers will be given by me the next day morning. Okay, this is our first question I am going to explain now. Okay, while reading this type of questions or any questions you are reading, just visualize, it will be more interesting. So I am going to read the questions now. The specific heat of an ideal gas depends on its specific heat. Everyone must know this term, specific heat. Just take an example that I am taking wood or iron, okay, anything. I am going to heat using a heat flame. The amount of heat required from the heat flame to that material to raise its own temperature as 1 degree Celsius. That much amount of heat is termed as specific heat. Okay, I think you better understand the term specific heat. Ideal gas, we are commonly heard the word gases, but ideal gas, what is the difference between these two terms? Ideal gas is the one in which the properties are perfect and cent percentage. Okay, this type of gases are termed as ideal gas. Ideal gas, normally there will be no ideal gases in our world, just our assumption that ideal gas. Okay, so that our calculations becomes very easy. So I explained to you what is specific heat. You just related this with the four options. It depends on the temperature. No, it's entirely wrong, because it depends on the material. To material it varies. Pressure not even related. Volume is nothing but considered in case of specific heat. So the answer for these questions will definitely be option D, molecular weight and structure. Yeah, like MCQ questions, you just, if you know the answer exactly, just mark it as answer. If you don't know, just eliminate the options, then we can finalize our answers. This is one of the best way for MCQ type of questions for answering. Okay. Okay friends, now it's a time for task 1 questions. You just see the question. First question is always I will post my first question as general aptitude. Okay, these questions all which are on posting, it's all from previous years asked gate questions. Okay, so please concentrate on it and try to solve the questions. If you are not able to see the questions for a long time, just pause the video and read the question and try to answer. Maximum 2 minutes will be questions displayed, totally 2 questions. Yeah, this is the second question, which is from our topic thermodynamics. Okay friends, if you are new to my channel, just subscribe and join in my channel, and it will be more useful for you, and to clear or to crack the gate exam with high scores, which will be better useful to achieve your goals. Okay, thank you friends.